Recording and editing video is one great thing. Then making people to watch that particular video and watch it till the end is another thing you need to master also, which is what YouTube is controlling in any video you upload in your channel. Then for you people to make people to watch your video, see what you are going to do. First of all, make a proper keyword research. This particular video I'm recording, is it what people actually need? How many people, how many persons are actually searching for this particular keyword? If the search on this particular keyword is high, then it is good to go. If it is very low, forget about that keyword and start making another research. After you might have done your researches, then do a proper video, do a proper research on that particular video you want to deliver. Then record that video. Make sure you edit it very well. Remove every fluff. Use a very proper camera, a very good camera, and remove background noise. Once you have removed this background noise, then save your video. Use the keyword that you have researched as the title of that particular word, particular video. See what you are going to do. If that video is how to make money in 2025, then write how to make money.mp4 as the name of that particular video. You are done with it. Then go to your thumbnail. Make sure you design a proper thumbnail, very attractive thumbnail, because thumbnail is the first thing that people are going to see once the people YouTube pushes your videos to them. Anybody that logs to their YouTube what homepage now, the first thing they're going to see what is thumbnail before they start looking at the title of that particular video. People don't see title first, they see the thumbnail first. Once that particular keyword is what they are searching and we design a proper thumbnail, they are going to be attracted to that video and they'll be forced to check that title. If it pleases them, if it gives more information in that particular title, then you click to watch that video. That is how to get them to what, at least click your video. That is why most people use clickbait. They use keywords that people are searching to what, put in their title and their thumbnail. Once you click on that video, you find out that this is not what you wanted to click and YouTube is strictly against this. Make sure you get that clickbait in your good video first. Then when somebody clicks your video, you have 15 seconds to attract that person to watch that video till the end. If you did not get that person's attention in the first 15 seconds, the person is going to skip that video and look for some other video somewhere elsewhere. Then, for you to start a very good video, make sure you go straight to the point in the first 15 seconds. Don't introduce yourself, just go straight to the point. Introduce what the video is all about. Give them what they need. Give them a hint, a kind of, they're going to summarize what you are going to give them in that particular video. And make sure it reflects on what is written on that thumbnail and also reflect on what is written on that particular title. If it's not this, they're going to leave that video and watch some other videos. Make sure you go straight to the point. Get their attention first in the first 15 seconds. If you get their attention first in the first 15 seconds, then they are going to watch that particular video. For you to make them to stay longer, just be concise. Go straight to the point. Do not repeat any words again. Go straight to the point. Give them what you want to give them. Then give them a word that will make them to believe that there is still something you are going to get in the end. If you have a particular package you are going to give to them if they stay to the end, offer them in that first 15 seconds. Because once you give them that progress in the first 15 seconds, they are going to stay till the end and see what is happening. But if you give them that promises, also back it up with value, so that value will make them to stay and watch that video till the end. But if you give them promise without what offering value in those your seconds, after 15 seconds, they are still going to skip after all those promises. But they don't believe that since you are saying all of these things, can you deliver what all those things you are promising? That is how to make people watch your video. And you know, in as much as people are watching your videos till the end, YouTube algorithm is also what looking at how people dwell in that video, and they are also going to push it to more people to watch, because now they don't believe that this video is very valuable and informative. Once people are done with that particular video now, they are still going to comment. In your videos, make sure you tell people to always comment, share their ideas. If this thing, how did this affect you? If it affected you, then comment it below. If you're having any challenge in this type of issue, then write it in the comment section. As I'm telling you now, basically, if you're having issues in your first 15 seconds video to get attention, write your issues in the comment section now, so I can now write to you personally and help you solve your issues. That is what I think. As much as people are commenting on your comment section, YouTube is not believing that since people are watching this to this particular, maybe 70% of your videos, 80% of your videos, and they are still also commenting, which means this video is valuable, and they'll still push it to more people. Those more people, you're still going to jam that your catchy thumbnail, jam your catchy title, jam your first 15 seconds introduction, and also watch to the end comment, and that process goes often and often till it reaches the highest views. In as much as you have done all of these things, and also make sure you post at the right time. Post at the right time. Use your YouTube analytics. If you are not conversant with when to post on YouTube and when not to post, I'm going to give a description to my videos on when to post and how to get your analytics of when to post on YouTube and when not to post. Go to that particular analytics, watch that video, study it, and practice it. Right? So if this video have helped you understand some things, kindly comment, like, or share, so that YouTube can as well push this video to people who actually need to hear this. Thank you. And